Now, with a day left, just before the finance minister of China lay out or unbreak or touch base on some of the stimulus that they are going to be introducing, so many of the investors are asking themselves of what really we might expect tomorrow. And I must say, there is a rumor that analysts are expecting at least the finance minister to touch base on around $283 billion worth of stimulus, which they will be implementing, which if that comes, it will be so interesting, so amazing. So as we wait, today is Friday and it is last trading day of the week, and so many of the investors don't know if they should buy or use today as an opportunity to buy more, because on Monday we don't know what will happen into the Chinese equity. Whatever is going to be discussed or touch base tomorrow by the minister or by the finance minister of China, it will make the stocks of or the Chinese equities to either rally so high in a way that those that do not buy today will definitely miss the opportunity. Whereas if it does not get as exciting, then it might tank, giving investors opportunities to buy even on Monday. So, but what we are seeing, it appears that hedge funds have been now preparing, buying these Chinese equities. Companies or investors or big financial institutions have been buying these Chinese equities in anticipation of what will transpire tomorrow. So as I've said, they are expecting around 280 or over 280 billion of stimulus to be announced tomorrow by the finance minister, which is something that of course we look forward to, and I'll give you those news as they come. So for a retail investor like you and me, I think, man, let's not try to calculate stuff. I think today it is the good day to buy. If everything goes very well, then the Chinese equities on Monday when they open, they will open so high. Whereas if they don't, or if it does not become as exciting, whatever the minister is going to say, then I guess it will be another day for us to load the boat on the Chinese equities, because fundamentally these stocks are very strong. It's not like you're buying stocks that are dead, stocks that are not performing. Fundamentally, Chinese equities, most of them are really, really strong because the market has beaten them so bad in a way that it is offering a good opportunities to buy. So whatever gets discussed or whatever the finance minister say tomorrow, whether good or bad, whether exciting or not, I think it is just a day today to load the boat, increase your holdings, because what will happen tomorrow will result into Monday either Chinese equities like NIO surging or dropping. But me, I'm just going to load like what the hedge funds, some of the hedge funds are doing in anticipation of what is coming in terms of the big stimulus that China will be announcing, which part of it will be announced by the finance minister tomorrow. So I'm happy, I'm excited about this. I mean, yesterday we did a video where we were talking about $70 billion that will be injected into the market or stock market, which is something that is pretty exciting. I mean, one of the things that billionaires and big financial institutions are saying right now, it is not even a matter of choosing which stock to buy. Any Chinese stock, buying everything, you will get, or they're expecting some good gains. Buying everything, whether you are buying NIO, Baba, Xpeng, Baidu, and all these other Chinese equities, you will see some gains, or they are expecting to see some gains, because these stocks, like I said, they've been beaten down for quite some time, and this might be the time that we get to see a big revision from the market, or the market correcting and giving the good gains, paying these Chinese equities like NIO and giving them the share price that they really deserve. So it is a good opportunity. I am very excited. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, and it is always good to see big financial institutions really piling before what is going to be said. And I must tell you, some of them might already know what's coming, which is why they've been loading the boat. Some of them might know what the minister is going to say, which is why they are loading the boat, because, I mean, come on, they've been in this industry. I mean, they've got connections that maybe might have told them that indeed what is going to be said tomorrow is lights out. Who knows? But like I said, even if it's not as exciting, I think Chinese equities are a must when it comes to holding them into your portfolio. And of course, these are just my opinions. So yeah, man, we look forward to tomorrow speech by the finance minister of China, and I think it will be very interesting. It will be pretty amazing of some of the things that we'll hear there. I'm just optimistic about tomorrow because I know that even if maybe they don't say everything we want, but in the long term, whatever they are saying, it will of course give a boost into the Chinese equities like NEO. And I will say this again, so many people are missing the point to say that yes, these big stimulus are good in terms of the share price, as they will revive the share price of these companies, but they miss the point that fundamentally Chinese equities are so undervalued. Looking at the kind of fundamentals that surrounds them, it is for this reason that even big guns, big financial institutions are loading the boat. It is not, they are not loading because of the big stimulus that China is announcing only, but it is also based on the fundamentals that, I mean, when you look into companies like Alibaba, when you look into our very own NEO, you and me can agree that this is a stock that is so undervalued, and therefore taking an opportunity to load the boat, it is something that you will not regret. So do your own DD. As for me, I'm going to load the boat because I know what I am buying. I know what NEO is all about, and I know where they are and where they will be in the future. I mean, it is so interesting to know that you are one of the people that, I mean, regardless of the share price of NEO being this low, we are still optimistic about this company because of what they are doing, because of the fundamentals, the catalysts, and the growth that we've been seeing onto this company. We load the boat, we take low trading prices opportunities to scoop more holdings, and even if, like I said, on Monday, these stocks or stocks like NEO continues tanking, it offers an opportunity for me and you to load the boat. So do your own DD, man. These stocks are quite volatile. All Chinese equities have been quite volatile, especially also after the announcement of the stimulus, which is going to give a boost into Chinese equities like NEO. So I'm happy, I'm excited. Do your own due diligence. Don't forget to hit that likes button, comment, subscribe, and once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.